The landscape of wildlife and sports photography is about to shift on its axis because the long-awaited successor to the most popular crop sensor camera in history is finally surfacing from the shadows of Canon's development labs. For years, enthusiasts and professionals alike have leaned on the original R7 as the ultimate reach extender, but the 2026 Canon EOS R7 Mark II is not just an incremental update. It is a complete reimagining of what an APS-C sensor can achieve when pushed to the absolute limits of modern silicon. We're talking about a machine designed to bridge the gap between high-end enthusiast gear and the terrifying speed of the flagship R1, bringing elite-level performance into a body that doesn't require a second mortgage. The rumors swirling around the sensor tech suggest that Canon has finally cracked the code on high-resolution stack designs for the crop format, which means the rolling shutter issues that plagued previous generations are officially a thing of the past. Imagine capturing a hummingbird's wings at full speed or a professional sprinter at the peak of their stride with zero distortion and a level of clarity that rivals full-frame giants. This isn't just a camera. It's a statement that the APS-C format is the future of high-speed, long-reach digital imaging. As we dive deeper into the leaked specifications, the heart of this beast is a rumored 32.5 megapixel back-illuminated stacked CMOS sensor, paired with the next generation of digic processing power. This combination is set to unlock burst rates that were previously unthinkable in this price bracket, potentially hitting 40 frames per second with full autofocus and auto-exposure tracking. But it's not just about raw speed, it's about the intelligence behind the glass. The R7 Mark II is expected to debut an evolved version of dual-pixel CMOS AF3, integrating deep learning algorithms that can now recognize not just eyes and animals, but specific flight patterns of birds and the subtle body language of athletes to predict movement before it happens. This means your hit rate for tack-sharp images in chaotic environments will skyrocket, making the struggle of missed focus a distant memory. For the creators who find themselves in the thick of the action, the redesigned in-body image stabilization system is rumored to offer up to 8.5 stops of compensation, allowing for handheld long-exposure shots that look like they were taken on a heavy-duty tripod. This is the level of engineering that empowers you to leave the bulky gear behind and move with the fluidity the modern world demands. The video capabilities are where the R7 Mark II truly begins to outshine its competition, positioning itself as a legitimate B-cam for cinema-grade productions. Leaks indicate 4K recording it up to 120 frames per second with no crop, utilizing the full width of the sensor for breathtaking slow-motion footage that retains every ounce of detail. For those demanding the highest dynamic range, Canon is expected to include Cinema Raw Light and C-Log 3 internally, providing a massive amount of flexibility in the color grading suite. Heat management has also been a massive focus for the 2026 model, with a revised internal thermal structure that allows for significantly longer recording times even in demanding environments. This makes it a formidable tool for documentary filmmakers and high-end content creators who need reliability above all else. The physical build is also seeing a sophisticated overhaul, with a more robust magnesium alloy chassis that is fully weather-sealed, ensuring that whether you are in a dusty stadium or a humid rainforest, your gear remains protected. The electronic viewfinder is getting a massive resolution bump and a higher refresh rate, providing a blackout-free experience that feels as natural as looking through an optical window.